Hi everyone, welcome. Yes, come on in. You're welcome to sit, you're welcome to stand, whatever you like, however you're comfortable. Right. Excellent, this is it. Welcome. Welcome everyone. I'm Josie, your Illumineer. Thank you for answering the call. Whether you realize it or not, you were all summoned here because of the imagination you possess. Who here has visited the realm of Lorcana before? Yes, some returners, welcome back. For those of you visiting for the first time, the rest of us welcome you to a magical realm where your favorite stories come to life. In Lorcana. Now, we are inside the Great Illuminary, the library at the heart of Lorcana. Here, we can summon forth glimmers of your favorite characters from the countless stories you know and love. One of my favorite glimmers is actually Patch, a little Dalmatian. He's so helpful, he's so cute. I mean, that undeniable little patch there, you know, helps his mom and his dad and his brothers and his sisters. And Cruella de Vil has no right to be so mean to those... Step off that soapbox, excuse me. The books around us are filled with stories. And the sketches you see here showcase some of the most famous characters. Mickey Mouse, Stitch, Tinkerbell, and good old Winnie the Pooh. Now, the most important part is that your imagination, plus a little magic, is what brings them to life. Here, let me show you. What's your name? Casey? Casey, is one of these portraits common to you? Stitch. Oh, does that mean we have a troublemaker on our hands? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your eyes. Casey, this is an ink caster. It channels your imagination into a sketch of your favorite character to create a glimmer of that character. You want to try? All right, come on over. Hands in the center. There we go. All right, use your imagination. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. Look at those hues, those colors, the brilliance. Excellent job, Casey. Thank you. And hey, what's your name? Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Do you have a favorite sketch of these other three? Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse puts a smile on everybody's face, just like Sammy here. All right, Sammy, let's channel this. Yeah, Papa, that's good. Yeah, he knows exactly what he's doing. Here we go. You ready? Use your imagination. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sammy's brought the entire Illuminary to life. Look at this. You brought Mickey to life, and Winnie the Pooh and Tinkerbell. Wow. Yes, a round of applause. More imagination than he can handle. I'm going to keep this far away from Sammy so he doesn't summon forth an army of brooms to sweep us away. They bring buckets. It's a lot. Now, who wants to know the most exciting part about the realm of Lorcana? Sammy, you want to know? Yeah. These glimmers that you see before you, they appear as they do in their classic stories. But by using our imagination and a bit of magic ink, we can create something new. Who likes magic? Yeah, who doesn't? Now, amethyst is your color of choice. It brings about the most magical aspects of any character. For example, our good friend Winnie the Pooh. We infuse him with a bit of amethyst ink. We get the Honey Wizard. And sapphire ink hues into Mickey's cunning side, creating a glimmer of the clever detective. Elementary, my dear Pluto. With a dash of daring Ruby, we can create a glimmer of Mickey as the brave little tailor. But we're not going to run with scissors, especially if they're that big. Trickster Emerald accentuates Stitch's mischief, bringing about the brazen buccaneer. Yarr! I wish I had 4 arms. And if we infuse some amber ink, we can dial Stitch's charisma up to 11 as he channels his inner galactic rock star. Tinkerbell, never to be outdone. If we infuse Tink with a bit of steely resolve, we're left with the towering Tinkerer, capable of blacking pirate ships from the sea. In Lorcana, you quest with your favorite characters, some familiar and some fantastical, which is why you're all here. You see, it was my impulse to summon a glimmer of Belle, being here in the library. There's just one problem. I was on a quest with Belle, and unfortunately, we were separated. Now this is where you all come in. Now that you are worthy Illumineers, this will be your quest to find Belle. On your way out, you'll be given a quest book and a packet of 12 random glimmers. If you're lucky, you may receive some of the 4 that you need right away. But you will certainly have to work together and trade in order to find Belle. So look for everyone wearing wristbands and wear yours proudly, as they may have the selections you seek. Trading and working together is the only way that we can all find Belle. Now, I'll place her empty portrait off the page. Return there when you have completed your quest. Good luck, Illumineers, and thank you. I look forward to seeing you again soon in Lorcana.